everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't, please like and subscribe and ring my bell so that you guys can get my notifications. So let's get into this video because I'm very excited about talking about traveling. Traveling is one of my #1 things that I love to do in the world, and today I'm going to show you how you can travel to Amsterdam for $400. So if you want, please keep watching and subscribe and like to my videos, and let's get started. So you want to travel, and everyone says that, or used to just say you can't travel. Anybody can travel. Anyone can. First of all, you have to plan a budget. If you don't plan a budget, then it's not going to work. You have to have some kind of budget, unless you're just blessed with millions of dollars, but I'm not. So I'm always on a budget whenever I travel. I'm going to show you how I search for very cheap fares, and you know what? Sometimes it's on the off season, but that's okay. The off season is a good time to travel because there's less people and you get to go through different sites and different things a lot quicker than if you were going, let's just say, during the summer. But I know some people have school and things like that, but then if you plan ahead of time, you can go to Europe or anywhere you want to for less than you think. So I'm going to show you guys how I do this. First, I go into the Kayak app. I use Kayak for everything because it's just a great app. So let's just say we're going to leave out of New York, because it's just one of the main airports in the US, and we want to go to Amsterdam. So I type in Amsterdam, and then let's just say the cool thing about Kayak is these little green dots. It's telling you when there's a great price. So let's just say we want to go from the 20th to the 27th. 20th to the 27th. So it's going to highlight it all. And then you hit apply. Then you hit the little search thing. So then it's going to just search and search and search. So then I like to pull it down because then if you see on here, there's a little scroll bar that will go all the way through. And the good thing is it tells you right now is a good time to buy. So I'm looking and I see, look, there's a flight from JFK to Amsterdam for $364, and then it tells you all different other prices, but we want to do this for under $400. So I click on it, and then you can either book it through Kayak, or what I like to do is just let it pull up where you can book it through Kayak. It's just verifying the price and the availability. You could pay for it here, but I usually like to also go to the actual company, Norwegian Airlines. And I'm going to click on Norwegian Airlines again. And so I already have it in New York. We want to go to Amsterdam. So AMS, Amsterdam, Netherlands. And let's just say we want to go from the 20th to the 27th like I did before. Hit go and let it search. So then look, they have a flight from 6:55 in the morning. You want to select your low fare, and then coming back at 15:15, 17:30, and that's just for $209. So you want to start your reservation, and then you'll have to put in all your information. But look, $369.80. Yeah, these prices are for real. So yeah, that is how I search and how I book my fares. So if you guys are interested, I can also do other videos where I show you where you can search for cheap hotels, hostels. Don't think hostels are not crazy. Just as long as you're safe, and I mean that's what they're for. That's what hostels are for. I can make another video and talk about hostels and different places where you can stay, where you can go in Europe, because Europe is amazing. Or anywhere you want to go in the world. It's just an incredible feeling when you guys can travel and you can experience new cultures, new food. Oh, there's just so much in this world that, again, I want to see, and I'm going to make it happen one way or the other. And I want to take you guys with me, and I hope that, I can inspire you guys to want to travel too, because it just broadens your horizons and it opens up your minds to new adventures and new things to come. And yeah, traveling is amazing. It's a little stressful at times, but you know what? That's the fun of it. Because then, when you look back, you're like, wow, I did that. I went here, I went there. And you come back and you can tell your stories to everyone. So if you guys like this video or like these types of videos, let me know in the comments below, and I will definitely make more traveling videos for you guys. Please like and subscribe to this video, ring my bell. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys soon. Bye everybody!